House settling has many different symptoms. Stay tuned to hear 3 repairs you may need to make after installing Helical Piers. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, the Director of Sales Development at AccuLevel. Your foundation is a big part of your home. When it settles, other areas of your home may be affected. In this video, I'll explain why you may need to repair ceiling or wall cracks, adjust doors or windows, and replace the caulk around your windows. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. When a home settles, it often cracks in the drywall or in the ceiling, and that may even be the reason that you started looking at your foundation as a problem. A lot of people repair those cracks and see them come back over and over before that repair is ever done. And so whenever it comes in and you start lifting with those helical piers, trying to put that structure back to level, any of those repairs that have been made are going to come back. So a lot of times that compound that's filled those cracks is going to get shoved back. Or even if we're just lifting and trying to get that home put back into level, because your home has settled slowly over time and we're raising much quicker, we can cause more drywall and ceiling cracks in your home. Like I stated with the drywall cracks, if doors have ever been put in or windows have been put in since that home began to settle, they usually get put in square. So when we go to try to put that foundation back to where it was, you're going to cause those things to bind up, whether it's the windows or your doors. So it's good to plan on readjusting your doors and your windows. The caulking around your windows is a very important seal to your home. And so anytime that we lift or push back, we can cause that seal to break. So make sure that you plan on just recaulking those windows to seal that up from the exterior rain and the weather as you get into the winter, the fall, and even the spring seasons. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about repairs to your home after you fixed it? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.